cat. D for dog. Dog. E for elephant. Elephant. F for fish. Fish. G for goat. Goat. H for hat. Hat. I for ice cream. Ice cream. J for jelly. Jelly. K for kite. Kite. L for lion. Lion. M for monkey. Monkey. N for nest. Nest. O for orange. Orange. P for parrot. Parrot. Q for queen. Queen. R for rabbit. Rabbit. S for sun. Sun. T for train. Train. U for umbrella. Umbrella. V for violin. Violin. R for much. R for watch. X for xylophone. Xylophone. I for yellow. Yellow. Z for zebra. Zebra.
Let's learn ABC. A for apple.
A for apple.
B for baby.
B for baby.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for hen.
H for hen.
I for eyes.
I for eye.
J for jug.
J for jug.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for monkey.
N for monkey.
N for nest.
N for nest.
O for orange.
O for orange.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
S for sun.
F for fan.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for van.
V for van.
W for watch.
W for watch.
X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.
Bye.